Dear children, today we are going to discuss some basics of algebra using pictorial representation. I know very well that you children know these formula very well, but we are going to see how that formula derived, right? So let's begin the session. Two things we are going to discuss. The first one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, here, how this a plus b whole square is expanded to a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is what we are going to see. The second thing, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. How we expanded a square minus b square is also we are going to see. Okay, let's take the first one, a plus b whole square, right? Okay, so let's take the left hand side, a plus b whole square. Let me draw a line and the side is a and another line called b, side is b, right? Now we have two sides a and b in the same straight line. So now we want to know the square of a plus b. So now we have a line a and b, so put together a plus b. So let us make it as a square to find the area. We'll draw a square of the length a plus b, right? So if you see, all the sides will be a plus b, the length of a plus b. So what is the area of a square? You know very well. Okay, the side is a plus b, so this will be a plus b whole square, right? Now let us expand this a plus b into pieces, right? Let us draw a square for the length a, right? So the idea here is we have to find the entire area of a plus b. So we are going to divide all this area into parts. The first thing we are going to divide is the area of a. So now this square of a side is a square. I mean, area of this square is a square. A into a, right? Now the remaining portion we have to find, right? Okay, let us take the other thing. This side b is here, b is here. Why don't we draw a square of size b? Okay, now we can able to find this area, b into b, b square. So area of this portion is b square. Let us add to this formula. So now we got a square, b square. What's the remaining area? This is the blank area which we need to find the area of this open spaces, right? So here this length is b and this breadth is a. So it's a rectangle. So we have to find the area of this rectangle. What's the area of rectangle? L into b. So here b into a. It's nothing but ab. Let us add that as well into our formula. AB. The remaining portion is this area. What is the length? B and breadth is A. So A into B, AB. We got another AB. Let us add this one. So we have covered the entire square. I repeat, to find the entire area of A plus B, we are splitting this area into four parts. Where we know the length is a, so we draw a square and the area of a is a square, and we know the length of b, draw a square of B. So the area is B into B square. And third one is the remaining areas are two rectangles. Area of rectangle is L into B. So A into B, AB. Similarly, this side also A into B, AB. So we have to add all these four to find A plus B whole square. So that is what we have got. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus AB plus AB. So let us simplify this. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus AB plus AB is equal to 2AB. That's all. This is how A plus B whole square formula has been expanded in this manner. I hope you can understand this. You will not forget in your life if you understand this concept. Okay? If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Let us go to the second formula. A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B. Let us start. Now let's take the first one, A square. Let's draw a square of side A. Okay. A, B, C, D is a square and the side A. Okay. So what is the area of A? What is the area of a square A, B, C, D? Now sides are A. A into A square. So the area of this entire square is A square. Now next move to B. So A square minus B square. So draw another square of B. Okay. A, E, F, G. Right? Where the sides are B. Okay. So what's the area of this square? B into B. That is equal to B square. Right? What is our idea? So we have A square, we have B square. So we have to subtract B square from A square. So that we will get the answer. That is our idea. So from A square, if you subtract B square, you get the remaining portion of this big square. That is the shaded region. So our goal is to find the area of this shaded region. Correct? So again I repeat, the big square is A square, the small square is B square. So we are subtracting B square from A square. That is equal to A square, entire square, minus B square. What is the remaining portion? Which is equal to this remaining portion. That is a shaded region. If you are able to find the area of the shaded region, you will get the answer of A square minus B square. Let's see how we can find this area. The idea here is we cannot find the entire area, but we can divide this area into two parts so that we'll have two rectangles. Okay. So B will divide this area into two rectangles. BHFE is one rectangle. Okay, the next one is HCDG. This is the another rectangle. Because it's very easy to find the area of a rectangle. So if you find the area of this rectangle BHFE and HCDG, if you add these two, then you will get the entire region. Correct? Okay, let's see what is the area of EBHF, this rectangle, this red rectangle. So what is the formula? L into B, length into breadth. Okay, here we know EF value. The EF side is nothing but B. See, AG is equal to EF. Here it's B means it is also B. But we don't know what is the side B. Right? This is unknown. So how to find B? So what is the entire length? DC is nothing but A. So DC is equal to AB. So this is A means the entire area is A. But we know up to AE. Right? So take A and subtract B, you will get this B. Okay? right? So this is nothing but a minus b. B is nothing but a minus b. So L into b. So area of BHFE is equal to a minus b into b, right? This is the area of this particular rectangle. Let us go to the next rectangle, green, HCDG, right? So here we know the area, I mean one side is A, the other side is again A minus B. How? The entire area, entire side is A and this side is B. So A minus B is GD, right? If you want to know this area, know this side, subtract B from A, you will get A minus B. So what is the formula? L into B, A into A minus B is the area of this rectangle. A minus B into A, right? So if you add these two rectangle, you will get the entire area. Okay, so area of the shaded region A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into B plus A minus B into A, got it? Which is equal to, so see this formula, let us simplify. A minus B is common, let us take out A minus B into B and A, B plus A or A plus B. So this is how you are getting this formula. So now A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B, that's what we got. So therefore we got this formula, A square minus B square equal to A minus B plus A plus B. Okay, if you see in this diagram, the entire square is A square. If you subtract B square, the remaining portion it will be A minus B into B plus A minus B into A, which is equal to A minus B into A plus B. Okay, very simple, children. If you understand this thing very practically, then you will never forget this formula. You can memorize this formula, but if you understand how this formula is derived, it will be very easy for you and you will never forget in your lifetime. I hope you enjoy this video and I think that it will be useful for you and you like this content. Okay, if you have any doubt, go and comment it and share your feedback here. And if you think this is very useful, share this content to your family, friends. And finally, if you like it, please press like button and subscribe to our channel for further videos. Thank you so much, children. See you in next video. Bye bye.